In the given question, we have to realize the given truth table, which is this one. Just a second. We have to realize this truth table with the help of given following circuit. We have to find out the input to J in terms of A and B. Now to proceed, what we will do, we will draw the characteristic table for the given truth table condition. Truth table condition. Now when our inputs are AB is equal to 0 0, our output Qn plus 1 is Qn ka bar. So here as our input A and B are 0 0, our output is gonna be Qn ka bar, which is here is 0, so output is 1, here is 1, so output is 0. And when our inputs are 0 1, from our truth table we can see we are getting 1 at the Qn plus 1. So our output here in these two rows is gonna be equal to 1 and 1. Again, at the time of 1 0, our output is Qn. So here we will get 0 and 1. And from the last row of our truth table we can see when our inputs A, B are 1 1, the output is 0. So here in the last two rows of our characteristic table we will get 0 and 0. Now with the help of this characteristic table, we will draw our excitation table, which have inputs as Qn and Qn plus 1. When we are getting 1 from 0, our value for j is 1, and for k it can be don't care. From 1 to 0 it's gonna be k is gonna be 1 and j is gonna be don't care. That means we can get 0 from 1 either by 1 1, that is switching, or by 0 1, that is reset condition. Now again for 0 to 1 we can get it from, now again 0 to 1 we can get from 1 x, and from 1 1 we can go from 1 to 1 by either by x, j equal to x and k equal to 0, and from 0 to 0 again we can go from putting the value of j equal to 0 and value of k equal to x. It can be a don't care, it can also be 1 and it can also be a 0. Similarly from again from 1 to 1 is from x 0, 0 to 0 is by 0x, and 1 to 0 is by x into 1. Now draw the k map for j as output and a comma b and qn as input. Qn AB. Here we are taking Qn as our MSB and B as our LSB. So what we will get at what position? See, when Qn is 0 and A and B are also 0, our output is J is equal to 1. Now again, when our input A and B are 0 0 and Qn is 1, then output is X. Similarly, fill the complete table with the help of this characteristic table. Will fill our K map. We will get something like this, where X is our don't care. Now finding out the circle which we can form, the group which we can form in this K map is like this, which will represent our J as A ka bar, which is our answer, which is option number B. I hope you get it. Thank you.